One of the most frequently asked questions on my remodel videos is, why did you remove the drywall? It was in perfectly good shape. You could have reused it. I don't like wasting materials. I like to reuse stuff if I can, but there are a couple reasons why I take the drywall off. One is this wall right here, an exterior wall, has insulation from 1946. And I'm sure the R value of that insulation, the thickness and how much it insulates, is not up to the standards today. The other reason is I have taken apart so many walls in my house, in fact, almost all of them, and I have found wires where they are chewed up down to the bare copper because of mice. I had a huge mouse problem when I moved in this house. That is a huge fire hazard. So I want to take all that old wiring out and put new wiring in. And in the case of this room, there isn't any wire. So I could cut holes and patch them in and run the wires that way. But to make it easier and to remove all the insulation and just start fresh, I'm going to rip off all the drywall.